Hello, my friends. Today I have here this open sign from the brand Rolanche. I think it's really perfect if you have a business, for example, a store, a coffee bar, an office. You can use it indoor and outdoor, and also you can put it in the window. And I can see here it has the charging port that it's going in the wall, and this one that it's the on and off switch. This one you connect it into this cable that is from the LEDs, from the neon LEDs. You just put it like here, and it also this sign comes with this chain. I really think it's perfect, and you just need to put it. I already put it, but it just need to put it this thing into these circles that it comes in the sign. And I can see the material. It's like silicone with plastic. I think it's really cool. It's really good, the material. And let's try it and let's see of what color it turns on this sign. Okay, guys, we are ready to try it. This one, we're going to connect it into the board, right? And we have still this cable. And this one, we're going to connect it into the cable that it came with the open sign, okay? Here we have this cable that it's from the LEDs. You can see here. So just we're going to connect it like this. It's very simple. And we have here the charging power on and off. So we're going to turn it on. Wow, okay. It's really, really good. So let's try it. For example, we can put it like here. And we can see that the text color of the open sign, it's like a warm white. And we can also see the edge. The edge has a color white. Let's see it like here. So I really think it's really cool. I don't have in this moment where to put it, but I think it's really cool. It's good. And just to turn it off, you don't need to move this one. You just need to turn this one like here, and it's turned off. And you're going to turn it on here, and that's it. So I think it's really practice. You can use it for a business, and I really love it.